Hey everyone, welcome back to 24/7 Talk English. I'm Harry.
And I'm Alex.
Today's topic is very special. We're talking about how I learned English at home.
Oh, nice. This is perfect for people who can't go to classes, right?
Exactly. No expensive courses, no big schools, just home, patience, and smart practice.
I like that because honestly, many people feel stuck at home.
Yeah, and they think, I can't learn English alone, but trust me, you can.
Really? Even beginners?
Even beginners. I started the same way.
Okay, Harry. Let me ask you something honestly. Did you ever feel scared to speak English?
Oh, all the time. I used to overthink every sentence.
Same here. Like, is this correct? Is this wrong?
Exactly. And because of that, I stayed silent.
That's so relatable.
But one day, I realized something important. You don't learn by thinking, you learn by speaking.
That hits hard.
So today, I'll share 9 simple tips that helped me learn English at home.
Let's go. I'm excited.
Tip 1. Make English your daily habit. First tip. Make English part of your daily life.
Like how?
Simple things. When you wake up, say good morning. When you eat, say I'm eating breakfast.
Oh, talking to yourself.
Yes, it may feel funny, but it works.
People will think I'm crazy.
Let them think. You're learning. Tip 2. Don't translate everything. Second tip. Stop translating in your mind.
Oh, that's hard.
I know, but translation makes you slow.
True. I always translate from Urdu to English.
Instead, think in simple English, like I am tired, not मैं थक गया हूँ, I am tired.
Oh, direct thinking.
Tip 3. Use simple sentences. Third tip. Keep it simple.
Yes, please. No complicated grammar.
Exactly. Don't say big sentences. Start small.
Example?
I like tea. I go to work. I feel happy.
Easy and clear.
Tip 4. Listen every day. Fourth tip. Listen, listen, listen.
Podcasts like this one?
Yes, and YouTube, movies, anything.
Even if I don't understand?
Yes, your brain learns slowly. Tip 5. Repeat out loud. Fifth tip. Repeat after listening.
Like a parrot.
Exactly like a parrot.
Okay, that's fun actually.
Tip 6. Practice speaking alone. Sixth tip. Speak alone.
Again, talking to myself? Oh, God.
Yes, but this builds confidence.
I think I need this.
Tip 7. Use real-life situations. Seventh tip. Imagine real situations.
Like?
At a cafe. Can I get coffee? At a shop. How much is this?
Oh, practice before real life.
Tip 8. Be patient. Eighth tip. Be patient.
This is the hardest one.
Yes, learning takes time.
No magic?
No magic, only practice. Tip 9. Don't fear mistakes. Last tip. Don't be afraid of mistakes.
Biggest problem.
Mistakes are your teacher.
I like that.
Okay, listeners, let's practice.
Yes, repeat after us.
I am learning English.
Pause. Say it.
I am not afraid.
Good. Again.
I will speak every day.
Nice. Feel the confidence.
Now, quick vocabulary time.
Let's go.
Habit. I have a daily habit of reading. Practice. Practice makes you better. Mistake. It's okay to make mistakes. Improve. I want to improve my English. Confident. She feels confident now. Simple. Keep your sentences simple. Repeat. Repeat after me. Listen. Listen carefully. Speak. Speak slowly. Learn. I love to learn.
These are very useful. Okay, Harry, imagine I'm at a shop.
All right.
Hello, how much is this?
It's 500 rupees.
Oh, okay, thank you.
See? Simple English works.
Yeah, no need for big grammar.
Look, if you're listening right now, you're already improving.
Yes, step by step.
Don't rush. Don't compare.
Your journey is your own.
All right, guys, that's it for today.
We hope you enjoyed this episode.
If you liked it, don't forget to like, subscribe.
And comment below, I will speak English.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Until then, keep practicing.
Bye.